Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to write a story on Wattpad. The Wattpad application is not just for reading stories. You can also write and edit stories, and it is very simple. Okay, just follow through. Now, on the Wattpad homepage, you would see some icons displayed on the lower part of the screen. Our focus on the pencil icon, which is close to the notification icon. That is the fourth icon at the lower part of the screen. So you select it. Once you do that, you'll be directed to a page where you would see edit under story, create a new story, help writer resources, and all that. Our focus here is on create a new story. Select it. Once you select it, you would see a web page where you'll be asked to add a cover, a story title, and a story description. Now, you cannot publish your book without having a story title and a story description. However, if you don't have a complete overview of what your story is about, you can always keep this as seen at the top right corner of the screen and come back later to it. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be skipping this. So click on skip, which is at the top right corner of the screen. Once you do that, you'll be redirected to another page where you can start your story proper. So you select a title for chapter 1. So you can just use chapter 1, and then you start writing. A good boy loves his mom. And then you can keep writing as much as you want. So when you're done, you can just publish your book, and that is it. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.